What a day is that? Tip the field back to the future. The year of future innovation. Wonderful to see. As we said earlier, see replacement only at Sharma. These guys that will be talking. That's not a game ended. Line up some of stuff and no mistake by the fielder. Yesterday is what a day. Speed of Carlton goes away disappointed. I'm sure they wanted a much more closer contest. As we said, what happened earlier was that man was dropped earlier. Abhishek Sharma. There was only one way that he knew, and he played magnificently well. You have to start for what they give you